family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selina Zenchak. My channel is everyday aware, natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. If you love this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. It will really help my video in the YouTube algorithm. You can also follow me on Instagram at Selina Zenchak and also my business page at Secrets2018. In today's video, I am going to be making an amazing treatment for our hair. If your hair is very dry and brittle, or you just want extra nutrients and vitamins down into your hair follicles, then this is an amazing treatment for you. If you would love to see how I put this together, then please keep on watching. Our first ingredient we will be going in with is our bulldog root. Bulldog root contains all the necessary amino acids for building protein in our hair that also creates hair growth. Bulldog root also contains vitamin A, which can help nourish the scalp and strengthen our hair, in addition to promoting hair growth. Bulldog root also help with scalp irritation issues such as dandruff and itchy scalp. If you haven't used bulldog root before, this is how it is looking. I'm now just going to transfer it into our pot. Our second ingredient is our slippery elm bark. The amino acids found in slippery elm bark encourage circulation to the roots of the hair and the hair follicles. Slippery elm also encourages new and healthy hair growth while adding shine and sheen to our hair. The iodine found in slippery elm prevent hair loss and also encourage softer curls and curls. So I'm also going to use 1/4 cup of our slippery elm bark. And this is how it is looking. I'm going to transfer it into our pot, and our next ingredient we'll be using is our flaxseed. I'm using the natural source of healthy fatty acids, and it's also a good source of fiber. I'm gonna go in with, I'm using 1/3 cup, and I'm using 2 of this. Flax seeds are rich in vitamin E, which is great for both our scalp and our hair health. This nutrient promotes health of the scalp by reducing free radical damage. It helps improve circulation in the scalp and promoting hair growth and slowing down hair breakage. Flax seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which keeps our hair nourished and prevents dry hair. Especially during the winter season, omega-3 help prevent hair loss and hair thinning, as well as dry scalp and dandruff. After adding in our 3 powerful ingredients to our pot, I'm now just going in with 4 cups of distilled water. Turn our stove on, and I will be back when our gel is ready. Flaxseed gel been boiling for about 10 minutes now. The moment I notice the trace of the gel, I'm now just going to turn the stove off and strain it. I will not be throwing our flaxseed away. I'm coming to use this in a deep conditioner for sunnier hair. So this is how our gel is looking. It is very hot right now, so I'm just going to leave it, let it cool down. And once you see it running, don't be alarmed. When it cool down, it's gonna thicken up. Our gel had cooled down, and this is how it is looking. Our flaxseed is ready, so I'm just going to get my hair ready, and then we'll come back for us to start applying it to my hair. Now we're gonna finally start going in with our gel. And hubby just opened the door, so you guys gonna see him passing around even though he's painting.
Hi family. Hi. Apologize for my indiscretions.
Remember? Yeah, baby.
Yeah, open your mouth.
What is it? Thank you. I'm also going to apply this on my scalp because of the benefit of all the treatment that I use. Still sucking on the Aurora candy that she gave me. Okay, so I'm just going to continue the same all over my hair. I'm almost done. This is how it's looking. I love how it's bouncy and very, very thick. Let me also turn it around a bit for you guys to see the back. Treatment is a bit messy, but no problem. So I had to go and clean up a bit, change my shirt, and then I put my hair in sections and I just throw my shower cap on. I'm gonna leave this treatment on for a couple of hours. If you are rushing, you can just leave it on for 30 minutes and you can also benefit from it. But when I make such an amazing treatment like this, I love to leave it on longer so my scalp and my hair can benefit from it. So after 2 hours, I'm gonna go and rinse it out and then I will come back and show you guys the result. I know it's gonna leave my hair feeling very, very soft and feeling very great. So if you also want to use this treatment as a leave-in treatment, I will leave that video down in the description box how I use it on Sonia hair as a leave-in treatment, but I decided to use this as a deep treatment mask. Done rinsing out the treatment from my hair. This is how my hair is looking, and it's also feeling really, really soft, and my curls are also a bit clump. This is the end result. After that, I just did a very fast wash and go using my leave-in conditioner and then some Eco Starter gel. I'm going to wear my hair out this week for about 3 to 4 days, and then after I will wash my hair and do a thorough wash day treatment on it again. So this is the one wash and go, and as the days goes by, it's just gonna get big, 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 which I like. Let me just show you guys the back, how the back is looking. I love volume on my hair. I don't like it to be waving. Family, so if you love this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.